Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love coffee, a great espresso machine is one of the best upgrades you can make. And in 2026, the options are better than ever. With so many choices, picking the right one can be tough. Do you want one-touch convenience or full barista control? In this video, I'm breaking down the best espresso machines of 2026, from beginner-friendly picks to cafe-level setups, so you can find the perfect fit for your space, skill level, and budget. Hit like and subscribe, and let's dive in. The Rancilio Silvia has earned legendary status among home baristas, and for good reason. This semi-automatic machine is all about pure control. You handle every step of the process, grinding, dosing, tamping, and timing your shot, which means the quality of your espresso is entirely in your hands. It's built like a tank, featuring a commercial-grade stainless steel body and a heavy brass boiler that delivers excellent temperature stability. That solid construction not only helps produce consistent shots, but also makes the Silvia incredibly durable. Many owners use the same machine for a decade or more. There is a learning curve, no doubt. The Silvia demands patience and practice, especially when dialing in grind size and managing brew temperature. But once you master it, the payoff is huge. The espresso quality rivals what you'd get from small specialty cafes, with rich crema, balanced extraction, and bold flavor. If you love the hands-on ritual of espresso making and want a machine that grows with your skills, the Rancilio Silvia is a true classic. This is the go-to choice for serious home baristas who want maximum control and professional-level results. The Breville Barista Touch Espresso machine is best for touchscreen control. If you want cafe-quality espresso at home without spending months learning barista techniques, the Breville Barista Touch absolutely nails the balance between automation and hands-on control. This machine features a built-in conical burr grinder, precise digital temperature control, and an intuitive touchscreen that walks you through every step of the process. You can customize grind size, shot strength, milk texture, and temperature, all with just a few taps, making it incredibly easy to dial in your perfect cup. One of the standout features is the automatic milk frothing system. It produces smooth, velvety microfoam at your chosen temperature, making it perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and even latte art without the guesswork. Whether you prefer dairy or plant-based milk, the results are impressively consistent. If you want premium espresso with modern convenience and a gorgeous touchscreen interface, the Breville Barista Touch is one of the best home espresso machines you can buy in 2026. The Gaggia Classic Evo Pro espresso machine is the best entry-level choice. The Gaggia Classic Evo Pro is one of the most affordable and respected ways to step into real espresso brewing. With decades of Italian espresso heritage behind it, this semi-automatic machine is built like a tank and designed to last for years, not months. Once you dial in your grind size and tamping technique, the Evo Pro delivers bold, full-bodied espresso topped with rich golden crema. It uses a 58mm commercial-size portafilter, giving you better heat stability and compatibility with professional accessories right out of the box. The professional steam wand is another standout, allowing you to practice proper milk, texturing for lattes, cappuccinos, and flat whites, a big upgrade over entry-level machines with basic frothers. If you're ready to move beyond pods and super automatics and truly learn the craft, the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro is a fantastic place to start. Perfect for beginners who want to build real barista skills. The Casa Brew's 3700 Essential Espresso machine is the best budget option. The Casa Brew's 3700 Essential proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy real espresso at home. This compact and beginner-friendly machine is designed for anyone who wants to get started with espresso without the complexity or price tag of higher-end models. It features a powerful 20-bar pressure pump that delivers surprisingly rich extraction, producing espresso with solid crema and bold flavor for its class. The built-in milk frother makes it easy to prepare cappuccinos, lattes, and other milk-based drinks, even if you've never used an espresso machine before. Its lightweight, space-saving design is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or apartments, and the simple controls mean you can be brewing in minutes with very little learning curve. For the price, The Casa brews 3,700 punches well above its weight and offers incredible value. If you're curious about espresso and want an affordable, no-stress entry point before upgrading later, this is hands down the best budget espresso machine to start with. The Ninja Luxe Cafe 3-in-1 espresso machine is the most versatile pick. If you want one machine that can do almost everything, the Ninja Luxe Cafe 3-in-1 really stands out. This is the ultimate all-rounder for households where not everyone drinks espresso all the time. It seamlessly handles espresso, classic drip coffee, and cold brew, all from a single compact machine. The 19-bar pressure system delivers rich, balanced espresso shots that are surprisingly good for a multi-purpose machine. It won't replace a dedicated cafe-grade setup, but for everyday espresso drinks, it absolutely gets the job done. The built-in frother expands your options even further, letting you make lattes, cappuccinos, iced drinks, and specialty coffee without extra equipment cluttering your counter. What really makes the Ninja Luxe Cafe shine is its convenience. Switching between brew styles is fast and intuitive, and the machine is designed for consistency. Great if you want reliable results without a steep learning curve. If variety and flexibility matter just as much as espresso quality, the Ninja Luxe Cafe 3-in-1 is a smart, practical choice. The Breville Bambino Plus is the best compact espresso machine. If counter space is tight, but you still want serious espresso performance, the Breville Bambino Plus is a fantastic choice. It delivers many of the features you'd expect from larger, more expensive machines, just in a much smaller footprint. One of its biggest advantages is speed. During testing, the Bambino Plus heated up in just 3 seconds, meaning you can go from craving espresso to pulling a shot almost instantly. No long warm-up time, no waiting around. Milk frothing is another strong point. The automatic steam wand lets you choose from 3 milk temperatures and 3 foam textures, making it easy to dial in silky microfoam for lattes, cappuccinos, or flat whites. This isn't a fully automatic beginner machine. You'll still need to learn proper grinding, tamping, and filter basket selection. But once you get the hang of it, the Bambino Plus rewards you with consistently great espresso. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone who wants powerful espresso performance without sacrificing counter space. The Seattle Coffee Gear Dilettabello Plus is the best manual espresso machine of 2026. If you love the hands-on ritual of espresso making, the Dilettabello Plus is an absolute standout. This is a premium, manual-focused machine designed for enthusiasts who want full control and a deeply satisfying brewing experience. The Bello Plus is an upgraded version of the original Dilettabello, and those upgrades make a real difference. You get a built-in shot timer to dial in perfect extractions, programmable pre-infusion to enhance flavor clarity, and an eco mode that helps reduce heat-up time and energy use. During testing, espresso making with the Dilettabello Plus felt almost meditative. Once dialed in, it produced rich, smooth shots with excellent body and balance, on par with what you'd expect from high-end cafe equipment. The steam wand is another highlight, capable of producing silky microfoam with both dairy and non-dairy milks. If espresso is more than just a drink for you, and you enjoy the craft, the focus, and the ritual, this is the perfect manual machine to fall in love with. The DeLonghi Dedica Duo is the best budget performer. The DeLonghi Dedica Duo is the best budget espresso machine tested this year and blows most other sub-$300 alternatives out of the water. DeLonghi has a reputation to maintain and hasn't skimped on components or features. Despite its entry-level price, this little machine feels solidly made and performs reliably. It heats quickly, its pump is capable of sustaining the pressure you need to get consistently well-extracted coffee, and its steam wand is excellent. The Duo is an updated version of the DeLonghi Dedica style, with a more modern look and useful tweaks like a wider drip tray that lets you fit 2 espresso cups underneath more easily. The main change is a new cold extraction option, which takes longer than pulling a shot of hot espresso but produces a smooth tasting drink that's a great foundation for iced drinks and cocktails. Very impressive during tests. The only quibble is that the machine tends to drip a little after the pump has stopped. Best performer under $300. Alright everyone, those are the best espresso machines of 2026. From beginner-friendly and budget picks to hands-on manual machines and fully featured barista setups, there's something here for every coffee lover. Remember, The best machine depends on your space, budget, and how hands-on you want to be. Drop a comment. What espresso machine are you using now? If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more coffee and kitchen guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.